Automation is everywhere in 2025, but with so many platforms out there, which one is right for you? In this quick but deep dive, we are comparing N8N, Make, and Zapier, breaking down their pros and cons, pricing, and ideal use cases. So let's get started. First up, ease of use. Zapier is known for its clean and simple interface. It's perfect for beginners who want to create automations quickly without touching code. Make, formerly Integromat, offers a visual builder with more flexibility. It is slightly steeper in learning curve, but gives you greater control. N8N, on the other hand, is developer friendly. It's also visual but more technical, ideal for users comfortable with APIs and custom logic. Verdict for non-tech users, Zapier. For power users, Make. For developers, N8N. Pricing. Now let's talk about money in 2025. Zapier is the most expensive of three. Its free plan is limited and higher tier plans get pricey as you scale. Make is more affordable and offers better value for money, especially for complex workflows. N8N is open source and free if self-hosted. If you do not want to host it yourself, their cloud version is still cheaper than Zapier for high volume usage. Budget conscious? Go for N8N or Make. Need simplicity? No server setup? Stick with Zapier. Integrations and capabilities. Integrations matter, right? Here's the scope. Zapier leads in total number of integrations, over 6,000 apps and counting. Make also supports thousands, and its modular setup allows more complex logic, branching, and error handling. N8N supports fewer integrations out of the box, but it is open source, meaning you can build custom nodes or community ones easily. It also supports things like f/else logic, loops, and advanced API controls right from the start. In summary, Zapier best for plug and play, Make best for advanced no-code workflows, and N8N is best for fully customized developer-level workflows. Conclusion and recommendation. So which one should you choose and which one should you go for? Choose Zapier if you want speed, ease, and tons of pre-built connections. Choose Make if you want a balance of power and usability without touching code. Choose N8N if you are technical, want full control, and prefer open source. Each has its pros and cons. It all comes down to your use case, budget, and skill level. And now let me know down below in the comments which tool you use. And that is it for our comparison. If you find this comparison helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.